ETFs are one of the smartest and most accessible ways to start investing, and many young people in the United States still don't even realize it. Just imagine, instead of betting on a single stock, you can invest in a fund that already spreads out the risk and makes you a partial owner of some of the biggest companies in the world all at once. All this with little money, easy to buy through your phone's app, and without the headache of picking individual stocks. Maybe you think that only people with a lot of cash can really invest, or that you have to be a stock market genius to start. But that's not true anymore. The game has changed. Thousands of young Americans, college students or recent grads, have been using ETFs to start with very low amounts, sometimes less than a lunch out. And the secret is not magic. It's about discipline, consistency, and time. By investing small amounts regularly, you build a snowball with real multiplying potential. Think with me, how many of your friends believe investing is only for millionaires or people with MBAs in finance? Or worse, how many gave up before even trying? You can be the exception. And in this video, I'll prove it to you with real examples and no fluff. So stay with me until the end. The path to transform your wallet might be simpler than you think, and every minute of this video can be a game changer in your financial life. First things first, let's bust some myths that are true dream killers. Myth number 1. Investing is just for those born rich or who grew up hearing about Wall Street at home. Wrong. The best time is now, when you still have time on your side. Compound interest makes every dollar you invest today way more powerful than one invested at 40 or 50 years old. Myth 2. You need to understand charts, acronyms, or complicated jargon. Nope. ETFs are designed to simplify. They already come with built-in diversification and are managed automatically. They put to shame investments that demand you watch the screen all day. Myth 3. I never have extra money, so investing's impossible. Here, consistency beats amount. Even if you can put away just $20 or $30 a month, over the years that adds up to something solid working in your favor. So here's a question for you. If you could take those small monthly expenses and turn them into real investments, why not try? The magic is planting this seed early, enjoying many years ahead, and later harvesting a tree full of results. But what exactly are ETFs? Imagine a pizza sliced into many different flavors, but each slice is a company from the American market. When you buy an ETF for the S&P 500, for example, you become a partial owner of Apple, Amazon, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Nike, and hundreds of other brands. No need to pick the single winner. You bet on the whole championship team. Even better, the management fees are low, so there's more return in your pocket. You buy and sell just like a stock, straight from the apps or websites of modern brokers like Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. All without secrets. Many even offer zero commission on ETFs, making it even easier for beginners. Why prioritize ETFs? Because you reduce concentration risk. You're not relying on just one company. And the earlier you start, the bigger the difference compound interest makes. Investors who started young, even with little, manage to secure stable financial lives and achieve big dreams like travel, home ownership, and even early retirement. Check out 3 ETFs that have been top picks for starters. VOO tracks the S&P 500, SCHD, focused on dividend-paying companies, and QQQ, a strategic bet on giant tech companies in the US. VOO is the basic staple, among the best for those who want safety and consistency. SCHD is great if you like receiving that extra cash regularly, since it pays out dividends. QQQ has higher growth potential for those willing to take on more risk and believe in tech's power. Let's get practical. Imagine investing $100 every month, split equally among VOO, SCHD, and QQQ. Over 10 years, assuming a conservative 7% average annual return, your portfolio could grow past $18,000. In 20 years, it could exceed $50,000, just by putting in what you probably spend on fast food or streaming. Time and consistency make all the difference. Still think you need to be rich to start? The secret is discipline. Invest every month without skipping, and reinvest dividends to turbocharge your growth. While many regret not starting earlier, you can be the young person who already masters the investing game. Now, let's get practical. Open an account. Pick a reliable broker like Robinhood, Charles Schwab, or Fidelity. The sign-up process is simple and fast, often just a few minutes. Check for fees, explore features, and make sure they offer popular ETFs. Then just search for the ticker symbols, VOO, SCHD, QQQ, and invest whatever amount fits your budget. Set up automatic monthly deposits. Each payday or allowance, put aside your investment amount first. Don't wait for money to just appear, because it usually doesn't. Invest first, spend after. This mindset builds real, lasting results. Watch out for pitfalls. Beginners often want the hot stock or jump from one trendy investment to another. Stay focused on the basics, keep your strategy, and think long-term. Don't panic sell ETFs during market dips. Ups and downs are part of the journey, and for disciplined investors, dips are chances to buy more and speed up growth. Got some common questions? Do I need a lot to start? No. Can I lose everything? Very unlikely with diversified ETFs tracking major indexes. But market swings happen, so invest calmly and with a long-term view. Why does investing early matter so much? Because every year counts, compounding your future gains impressively. What if I need the money? ETFs trade on the stock market, so you can usually sell anytime, unlike some locked investments. Invest with a commitment to hold for the best results. Here's a challenge. Pick one of the 3 ETFs we covered, VOO, SCHD, or QQQ, and invest any amount today. Drop a comment saying which you chose and why. What questions or fears do you have? I'll answer all of them and support you on your journey. Remember, your friend who's been investing longer has an edge, but that only matters if you choose to start too. The sooner, the better. If this video opened your eyes, share it with that friend who still thinks investing is complicated or only for the rich. Hit the like button if you found this useful, share it to help more people start investing smart, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new tips and strategies to get your financial freedom starting from zero. Your financial journey can change with one click. It's today, it's now. Financial freedom is just ahead. Just take the first step. Let's go.